The warnings in Bitcoin using technical analysis only, so take it as you will, continue to mount. This is the bigger picture, 3-day chart. One of my go-tos from the 2022 low, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's what you want to see. 5 up, 3 down, 5 up, 3 down, 5 up, 3 down. And then you get your explosion higher as momentum reaches its max and volume reaches its max. That's a third wave right there. Okay. However, volume continued to expand into the late 2024 top, which tells me momentum did not. That's probably still part of the third wave. So this is how I'm counting it. I'm counting the third wave ending in late December or December of 2024, and that the fourth wave ended in April of 2025, and now we're in a fifth wave. Okay, you can tell because we're pushing higher, new highs in price with less volume and much less momentum. Momentum is actually on the wrong side of this red line on the RSI. You can see tops have happened when using this level as resistance as opposed to support going back throughout this entire trend. And we used it twice. There's a double top on the RSI right into the most recent high. And so the question is, was that the fifth wave? And we're about to see a mega drop. I tell you what, if DXY starts trending higher in an aggressive fashion, Bitcoin's not going higher. Anything can happen, but the correlation between Bitcoin and global liquidity is very, very succinct. And DXY going higher means global liquidity is going down. And so anyway, as you can see, we have a potential double bottom on DXY. So are we going to go lower? If we can go lower, maybe we head down to 93 on DXY. Let me show you right here. Maybe we head down to like 93. We trend sideways and go lower. That's a perfect recipe for Bitcoin to trend a little bit higher, okay? And an extended fifth wave. And so what that would look like would be some kind of a breakout over like 133, definitely over 150. And we're heading towards 200 in a final kind of fifth wave move. But it's a fifth wave. It's the end. It's going to be the end. The end is either now. Maybe we get one more push to 133. Maybe we get one more push to 200. If we go up to 200, the euphoria will be quite extreme. It was pretty extreme around this recent top. But anyway, we're in a fifth wave, and we've done well. We were buying it back in 2022 at around the lows, and we bought it on every single dip when people left it for dead. So we're not like, we're okay. We're okay. If we miss out on some of it, no big deal. We made a lot of money on Bitcoin, and if you followed us, you probably did too. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is the final move that we're in. The blue count says that this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth wave ended in June of 2022 of this year. Fifth wave top into August of 2025. It topped before markets. We have overlapping mess down to 107, and we only have 3 waves up. Look, 1, 2, 3, and it's pretty symmetrical too. So if this is a B wave, we'll see some kind of a reversal, and it will be a vertical move lower that's going to take you to 101 at least, maybe 92. Okay, and that would be a second wave. That would be a larger 3-wave drop. That'd be viable in our opinion, with the stop down below 85. If we're going to make a new high, this is what it would look like. That'd be wave 1, wave 2, and we're in wave 3 that's going to head straight towards 128. We get a dip, and then it's targeting 133, which has been our long-term target for a very long time. So if we get up there, then that may be an extended fifth wave. Maybe this is wave 1, something like that. We don't know what it's going to be. If it's going to be like the first wave of a really large extended fifth wave, or it's going to be the end, the actual fifth wave. So we would probably take more gains at 133 and just be safe. So anyway, Ethereum breaking through some pretty major resistance. So I doubt that this is a fourth wave anymore. It's not. So this is what it would have to be if we are going to see any lower lows. Maybe it looks something like this. So there's two counts that I'm looking at. Okay. The uber bullish one is from the April 2025 low. There's wave one, wave two, wave one, wave two. And look how shallow and quick wave two was. So it opens the door to a very complex fourth wave. So it could happen. All right. This could be like a WXY thing going on. So I wouldn't count out dropping back down to 37 or 38 or something like that, 36. So as long as any weakness holds 335, that would be the end of your fourth wave. And then the fifth wave is targeting 67, 4, fifth wave targeting around 10,000. Okay. But we already have a position. We bought it around this low. So, we're set no matter what. And we would buy a breakout. If we got a breakout, we'd add to that position. Breakout over like 49, 6, 7, something like that. We probably head straight towards this level right here. The other scenario is, let's say we reverse and we break down below 3,350. Then we could be in a bigger kind of B wave. So A, topped in August of 2025. B, correction down to 3,000 to 2,200. And then your final C still targeting around 9 to 10,000. Okay.